Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, and on this episode we're gonna have banana oatmeal recipe. Yes guys, so stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscription button, make sure you hit that bell, and share, like and comment. Let's get going guys. This healthy recipe guys is one of the easiest breakfasts you can ever make. It's healthy. Number one, oatmeal. If you're trying to lose weight, if you eat oats every day, this is one of the easiest ways for you to lose weight. Yeah, eating oatmeal to lose weight is a great habit that you can easily follow. This is because when you eat your oats, your body digests it at a slower pace, making it hard for you to have cravings. It keeps your blood sugar energy levels steady, and actually it raises your energy levels. So what you do when you take it in the morning, you feel full throughout, and then you can resist the hunger to snack actually, because you feel full. It's filling. Yeah, that's what I love about oats, and that's why when I know I want to eat oats, I prepare overnight. There are two ways to do the oats. You can cook them in the morning, or you can prepare overnight. I'll show you the two processes. They're very easy. In 10 minutes you have your oats, and I'm telling you guys, they taste so delicious. So how to make banana oatmeal? It's so easy. So for ingredients, we'll need half a cup of oats. That's what we'll need. 1 cup of milk, 2 large ripe bananas. You can mash them, and then a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, and then you can have 1 teaspoon of honey, and then you can have a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you want to have sweeteners, you can have peanut butter. I get so many comments and emails from people saying they love to eat healthy. If only it weren't time consuming and expensive. With this guys, you don't need a lot of money to make this, and it's really healthy and delicious. And all you need is we'll just combine all this in a pot, in a bowl over medium heat, and then we'll stir, and then after 5 minutes we are done. That's it guys. So easy and delicious. So guys, in a small pot we'll combine everything. Put our milk, and then we'll put our oats, and then put our honey. It's so delicious guys, you have to try this one. Make sure your heat is on low. Put your extract, and then you put your cinnamon. You combine everything together, and then we will cover it for 5 minutes, and then you make sure your heat is on low. Keep stirring so that it doesn't stick on the pan. You will feel full all morning guys, and you will be able to resist the temptation to snack. So a good oatmeal breakfast is definitely a good diet plan to help you drop your weight easily. Okay, so cook that healthy oatmeal in low calorie milk. It will boost your metabolism, it will add proteins, and it will eliminate the need for sugar. Yeah, so I love oats because of how it boosts my metabolism. And to add flavor, as you've seen, we've put a bit of cinnamon. Yeah guys, quick weight loss can be achieved by having that healthy oatmeal daily. It's so easy to make. We make it, baby. You wanna have breakfast with mommy? Yeah, he loves it. So we'll let it cook for 5 minutes on low heat as we mash our banana. Yeah, so you mash your banana first. It's easy to mash with a fork, as I told you guys. I know guys are like, Caroline, every time bananas. I'll give you a fun fact why I love banana. Why do we love banana? So banana can, a banana fun fact for you guys is that banana can help lower your blood pressure and protect heart health due to high potassium and low salt content in the banana. So once it's mashed, we'll just put it in our oats and then we'll let it cover it for just 2 minutes. And I'm telling you guys, delicious as always. Yeah. So you put in your mashed banana. Yeah. You can decide to combine everything all together, but I normally prefer like my banana doesn't cook too much, so I normally put at the end at the remaining 1 minute or 2 minutes. Yeah, and it normally tastes so delicious, guys. Remember guys, 2021, delicious, healthy, easy peasy. Yeah, so cover this for 1 minute. Very healthy. Very healthy. Yeah. And what I do, I love topping with is some nuts. So what do you say, baby? Your healthy breakfast. To top, I normally top with some coconut and some groundnuts. You can put some groundnuts. Yeah. And you have a taste. Are you ready? Are you ready, baby, for a taste? Yeah, our breakfast is ready. It's a frozen. Let's taste. So sweet and so delicious, guys. You feel all the flavors, the cinnamon, the honey, the banana. I love what banana brings to the oats. You can either serve this hot or cold. You can wait for it to cool. You can serve it hot. It doesn't matter. That's what I love about the oats, and they are very delicious and so tasty. So guys, for overnight oats, you just use the same ingredients. We'll mix them and then we'll put them in a sealable jar. The reason why I love overnight oats, because you wake up in the morning, you just go pick that jar and you're like, voila. We'll just mix everything up. Just mix them. Mix your mashed bananas. You can put in your peanuts or groundnuts. I like mine with groundnuts. And then you can put your vanilla extract. What else? You can put your honey. So you mix everything up. And then at this point you put 1 cup of milk, or you can put 2 cups. For me, I used half a cup of oats, so I'll use 1 cup of milk. and then I'll put in my jar. I'll put here. I like normally putting everything and then I put the milk on top. So you put them in the jar. You can either, at this point, you can either use yogurt or water or milk, depending on what you like. You put, after we put in a sealable jar, it can be glass or plastic container, but make sure it's airtight. And then the ratio of the oats to milk is 2:1. And then after that, we'll refrigerate for 6 to 8 hours straight or overnight. So after that, after 6 to 8 hours or it's overnight, remove it straight from the fridge and enjoy it cold. Or if you like, you can heat it up and enjoy a healthy hot breakfast of oats. And that's it, guys, from us. What do you say, baby? What do you say? Please share, subscribe. We really appreciate that. So guys, that's it from us.